What up, guys? So yesterday I got in a huge wreck. So my ignition side radiator is pretty fried. So I did a little bit of repair on it, but I'm actually going to send it out to this place on the East Coast called ICW Radiators. And they do bracing and whatnot and make these things really, really strong. Because my 94 CR250, they don't make braces for those anymore. You got to find them on eBay. Usually they're really clapped out or you just can't find them at all. So, hey, Works Connection, Devol, what the hell? Why don't you guys go ahead and make those again? That'd be really great. So anyways, I'm going to send these two radiators out to Brett at ICW Radiators, and he's going to cage them up for me. So let's do a little before. This is just a quick video. Okay, so this is the radiator that didn't really get messed up at all. I mean, it looks pretty straight, especially for an OEM radiator. This one, I did the best I could in fixing it. It's still got some stuff on the other side. It's just, I need some help from a professional. So these are going to get caged. I'm sure he's going to want to repair this one at least. I think this one's pretty straight though. Yeah, this was a pretty bad wreck, not gonna lie. I definitely need a new wheel. So.
Yep. Let me stand straight on. Oof.
It's bad.
Yeah, it is bad. Guess what else is bad?
Definitely cooked. So, first step is to, because I know this is going to happen again, might as well, a little bit of preventative maintenance. So, all right, guys, we got our radiators back from Brett, and we're going to open this guy up. That looks great. He threw in that radiator cap too. Dang. Wow, these are going to be really sturdy. I mean, you can't get much better than that, man. Just look at that. Welds look great. These look like they're going to be super tough. So we included these stickers as well. This is pretty sweet. And then it looks like he had to repair one of the radiators. So after everything with shipping was $252. So, I'm pretty impressed with that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and put these on the bike. These, again, look amazing. Super thrilled with these. Okay, so I've got these radiators installed here. I wanted to give you guys a look at the backside a little bit. Rock solid. I mean, these could take a hit for sure. Fit just great. This is what they look like on the front. Fits great, just like OEM. All right, boys. This thing's back together and ready for action. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, but just wanted to show you what it looks like on the bike without the lever. I know all y'all have trouble with that word just as much as I do, but I mean, I didn't have to modify these at all. I mean, everything looks just great. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna get to ride my bike probably once or twice more before the snow hits, but I'm real impressed with this. This is great. I'm hoping next time I have a big wreck like that, the radiators won't be the first ones to go. So yeah, I freaking love this bike. I highly recommend a steel frame CR250. They are so much fun to ride. Thank you guys for watching my stuff. I really appreciate it. This was kind of a surprise project for me here. I love these steel frame CR250s, and steel frames for these Hondas are just the best. I started out on an aluminum CR250, and once I got on a steel frame, I just can't get enough of them. But yeah, again, it's CWI. It's CI. And again, it's ICW Radiators. Brett's the man. He freaking kills it, man. I just can't believe how good those look. And I didn't have to modify them at all. They're straight. They're tough. If I wreck the dang thing again, the radiator's not the first thing that's gonna, get busted up. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my stuff. I'm working on a pretty big video for an 86 CR500. Little sneak peek back there. Whoops, shouldn't have seen that. But with the baby, I'm pretty busy. So, again, thank you guys for watching my stuff. I've said that 3 times now, I think. Like, share, subscribe, the whole deal. I love making these videos for you guys. You guys are awesome. Take care. Bye.